Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Lego pumpkin pie. First, gather your essential Lego bricks in orange, tan, and white. You'll also need a round base plate to form the pie's foundation. Make sure to have some small brown pieces ready for the crust. This initial step sets the stage for your delicious-looking creation. Next, let's build the pie crust. Carefully attach tan bricks around the outer edge of your round base plate to form the crust. Then, fill the entire center area with flat orange Lego bricks to create the pumpkin filling. For a smooth, realistic pie surface, use 1x1 orange tiles. This gives your pie a polished look. Now for the best part, the whipped cream. Grab your white Lego bricks. To create a perfect dollop, stack several small white round pieces. You can vary the height for a more dynamic look. Position this delightful topping slightly off-center on your pumpkin pie for an authentic homemade feel. It truly completes the dessert. To add some final details, place small brown studs along the crust for a textured, baked appearance. Double-check that all your Lego pieces are securely connected, ensuring your pie is sturdy and ready for display. Your Lego pumpkin pie is now complete. Remember to check the description for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other fantastic deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.